This might be the most scenic train ride in Switzerland. Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Oh my god! Alright, so we're getting on this train. It's a rainy day. Not the day to go do this, but we're gonna buy our train tickets on this app to get on this train. You gotta use this app, SBB.
Monday.
Ready? And it's raining. Alright, we're getting on. Heading up to the mountains. It is a cold day.
Caboose. Come on, caboose.
Come on, caboose.
Alright, stop letting me out here.
We're going all the way up there. Climbing up. We're climbing up. Climbing up that mountain. Climbing up that mountain. Oh, they're cool. Thank you. We're going inside the dang tunnel. We're going in the cave.
Where'd it go?
Is this a stop?
Oh, goodness.
No, it's gonna go back.
Oh, that'd be so fun.
What stop?
If it just went back.
Until you die.
Ah ouais, sur demande allemand, sorti à l'avant du train.
There's a lake that we came from.
We soon realized that the view will be obstructed by the clouds and the fog. We're already on our way up, so there's no turning back now.
And all the way down there.
Okay, I just want to make sure you see it.
Oh, there's a shield. There's a restaurant we ate at.
Been driving half an hour in the mountains, being stuck in traffic.
Do they have can you snowboard up here?
They'd probably be packed though.
Very well.
Oh, this is nice, dude.
The chalet.
You like it?
Yeah, it's a nice little
Gonna go eat some mountain food. Some roasty, maybe a fondue in this rainy day. Look at the train track.
Look outside. Which is the stop?
We continue.
Okay,
So,
No, but
yeah.
where's
We're
the
like
tower?
this right now.
Excuse me, where's the tower?
We are like this.
There is a restaurant downstairs. It's not really a town. It's kind of small village.
Can't even see the mountains. It's so
Need
cloudy.
to go?
Okay,
We're like
and
this
it's
right now.
minutes down.
Okay.
But the
Wow.
restaurant is very, very nice.
Thank you so
You'll
much.
enjoy it.
Merci.
And then wait for the next one to go down. That's the only thing to do.
There's literally nothing up here. We came here for the view and look at the view. Can't even see the mountains, bro. They said they got one restaurant in this town. This is like being in the country in America. At least we have all umbrellas. Like that's really clutch.
My feet are wet.
There's a restaurant down here, mama. I hope this restaurant's open, but getting too high because there's no view today. Look, otherwise you'd see all the mountains. There's all mountains around us, but you can't see nothing because we are in the fog. There's no life up here. We got one restaurant, and I am hoping that it is open. Hello.
We found a restaurant in the middle of nowhere. It seems like it was the only restaurant up here. I just hope that the kitchen is open.
I know, they look good.
Oh, we found a great spot.
There's no food here.
Oh, god damn it.
They close food from 2 to 7.
Until 7. Oh my god. There's no food here. So we got to this restaurant.
I like this
and they
restaurant.
don't have food until 7 p.m.
And they opened the doors
And they
for us.
opened the restaurant
Thank
for
you,
us.
Missy.
And they're gonna cook us a specialty, a fondue specialty. We got so lucky. It is a rainy day today. This is the only restaurant, the only sort of life here is this restaurant,
Fondue?
and they didn't open until 7 for food. But they're making us a fondue right now. Let's get it.
Black.
The cheesecake? Yeah, that one. I was right. This one? The one with the smooth.
Here it is.
Fondue.
Here, Mom. Get some bread.
Baby cat, walk here.
That was nice of them. Did they open the kitchen?
This restaurant's been open since
you like it,
1959.
1959.
Fondue from the mountains right here.
That's crazy.
They gave us some potatoes, go with it.
Very nice.
They opened up the restaurant, especially for these Americans. Jack's first time having fondue.
What's official?
It's official. Wait, what's the thing?
If you lose your bread in the pan,
Who told you that?
you have to buy white.
That's a rule?
Yeah.
And you're supposed to like dip the bread inside it
Yes, I know.
a little bit. You know.
She knows.
Of course.
What?
And then you can put it in the
I
fondue.
like that. I would
Dip it
like
in
to
the
have
bread?
one.
Or first in the fondue and then in the...
Okay.
Just a little.
Yeah. Strong.
But
A little goes
I
a long
do that
way.
before the cheese. Give me the kiss. Put some fish in.
Good with the liquor. They opened the restaurant for us. It opened in 1959. Finished our whole fondue.
Where from? USA?
Yes, from ATL. Chocolate melted cake.
Oh, yummy.
Mmm. Mmm.
Can I give you some limoncello? But this one is very Swiss.
The
Yeah.
horn.
The horn, yeah.
You don't do like this. Like,
That's what I was thinking.
And before, people speak with this, with the older people and the older one.
Yeah, like
I'll speak with this. Yeah, they record
They
do
contact.
something.
They make contact.
It's got a little hole.
Make contact with, yeah.
Hospitality here is amazing.
if you're ever in
Coucou.
Le Coucou.
It's in this little horn. Do you want to call somebody?
No.
If you're ever in Caux, Switzerland, CAUX, come to the Coucou Hotel and Restaurant. They got a few bedrooms upstairs.
So did he's not doing?
Authentic Swiss spot.
Excellent.
We had an amazing meal. Now we gotta run up to the train before it leaves. We're gonna miss it. We better hurry.
Miss it
We
again.
better hurry. Coucou. They're not gonna wait on us.
Why you say it like that?
I think that's a kid movie.
Mama, wait! Baby, hold on.
It's better than queso, isn't it? From up the mountain, it's gonna stop here on its way down. Train's here, train's here. Train's here. Alright, train's here. We're on it down. You gotta be careful on which times you buy the train because it's like valid for only a couple of hours.
That's what I said.
That's why renters get into trouble. They put handcuffs on. Yeah, you gotta make sure because you only get 2 hours. That's what they told me. He's like, since they're tourists, it's okay. Now we're going down. Now we're like this. Back to the lake. Want to stay at the lake or you want to stay up there?
That mountain train ended up being one of my favorite experiences in Switzerland. The views, the Swiss specialty food, and getting to explore somewhere completely different made this a day I'll remember for a long time. But we're just getting started. Next time, we're heading even deeper into Switzerland for another adventure.
Castle view.